Before starting with this guide, you'll need the following things. The Windows version of EXGL Dolphin Emulator, the texture packs of both Sonic Riders DX and or Regravitified, and their respective patched ROMs. This guide will not show you where to get the unpatched ROMs or how to patch them. For that, use a different guide and then come back to this one. First, create a new folder inside the emulator folder. You can name it whatever, I personally just went for games. Copy or cut and paste the patched ROMs into that folder. Then you'll want to return to your emulator folder and go to User, Load, and Textures. Delete the two files that you can see in there and replace them for the texture packs you downloaded. Download bottles through either the Discovery Software Center or FlatHub. It might be also available on your package manager of choice, but I can't guarantee that as it really depends on which one you're using. Once installed, launch the app, go to the Bottles section and click on the plus symbol to create a new bottle. Name it however you want, select Gaming and leave everything else on default for now. Before clicking on the bottle to set it up, you'll want to hit the triple dot in the top right corner, go to Preferences and select Runners. From there you'll want to go to the 1GE section, unfold it and download the latest stable version you have available that does not contain LOL on its name. Now go back to your bottles, click on the one you created, go to its settings, click on the runner and select the version of 1GE you installed. After that, go to your bottle, hit the triple dot, and go to Browse Files. A directory structure that's very similar to Windows will pop up. From there, you'll want to go to Users, Public, Desktop, and copy and paste your EXGL Dolphin folder there. Once that's done, copy the file location of the emulator, go to your bottle, click on Add Shortcuts, paste the file location at the top to go to the emulator folder, and select the executable inside the EXGL Dolphin folder. After that, you'll be able to launch the emulator through the bottle menu, and the only thing left is to set up the emulator like you usually do in Windows. You'll want to go to Config, Paths, and click on the Add button below the Game Folders box to select the folder we created with the games on them, so they can be displayed on the main menu. Take in mind that with this method, Vulkan is probably going to be the only API that will work, so you'll want to go to Graphics, select the square next to Backend and click the Vulkan option. Once that's done, all that's left to do is to set up your controller in the Controllers option. And turn on dual processing by right-clicking the ROM you want to use, going to Properties and checking the Enable Dual Processing box. Double-click the game to launch it and you're ready to play!